Hello everyone and welcome to Suga's Kitchen. So apart from cookery and recipes, we also need to do a few hobbies which will keep us alert and active. One such is decorating your home with very simple things. You can make your own cushion covers in a DIY project like this, envelope type cushions that don't need a zip, very easy to make. There are few here that I've made for my home. So these are the envelope type that just go over each other like a flap, and these cushion covers are very easy to make. So I've made a few here and some more here. I have put crochet covers on them and these have all been made by me. So there are some plain ones here which are also the envelope type, and I'll just show you how to make it. So if this is your cushion which you have bought, or if you don't have a cushion, buy the fluff and fill it in a cloth bag. What you do is measure the sides of the cushion. Mine is about 15 inches on all sides. So you have a square cushion. Now this side it is 15. So what we need to do on the cloth is take double plus 6 inches. So that it flaps over in the middle. So 15 plus 15, 30 plus 6, 36. And this side, you take 1 inch on either side so that you can cover with the seam. You can stitch one side here, 1 inch here and 1 inch here for the seam. So I have measured 36 inches here. And 17 inches on this side. So what we need to do is just cut out. Basically, you have to keep your materials in order before you start. 2 rulers, some pins, a small scissor, a big scissor and tailor's chalk or a marking pen like this and measuring tape. Your cushion and the material that you want to put as a cover. So let's cut the material. It's a very simple and easy cushion cover to make, and you can add some decor to your home. Have a sharp pair of scissors. If you don't have a large table, you can do it on the floor. I am using my dining table. So as you can see, excuse me, see it wraps over like this, and you just have to slip the cushion. So you fold the edge and stitch it, and this will be your wrong side. This side also you fold the edge and stitch. This will be your wrong side, this will be your right side. Now once you stitch the edges, I'll show you on the machine how to do it. Turn it over into the wrong side and stitch the seams. And when you turn over to the right side, you will get the cushion cover properly.
Yep.
So we are just stitching the side seams, the 1 inch that we left on either side. Very simple stitching for this cushion cover. So we folded the edge and made a wrong side, right side. And this side also we folded the edge just a few centimeters and get the right side and wrong side. And on the wrong side, leave a 1 inch seam on either side. Now when you turn over the cushion cover to the right side, the flaps will be ready. So now let's just try it on the cushion cover. So the cushion fits comfortably into the cover. You just have to fold here, fold this side and stitch the side seams. So this envelope type cushion cover is ready. So basically what you do is, when you get the material, if you can't really measure and do it, just keep the cushion and put the material to flap halfway through. Put the material this side to flap halfway through. They should overlap. They should overlap so that the cushion is not seen, and stitch the edges, stitch the side seams on the wrong side, and your cushion cover is ready.